Today we're going to look at more examples of finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. These are just more examples of the videos that you just watched. The videos kind of show you what a determinant is, and these are just extra examples in case you wanted to see um, more problems. So again, as a reminder, a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, suppose we are given a matrix A with 4 elements A, B, C, and D. So here's an example of just a matrix where the variables are in order A, B, C, D from left to right. We're only going to be looking at 2 by 2 matrix because that's what you need for this year. In linear algebra, if you take that in college, or if you're going to take that in college later on in the future, you'll learn how to do the determinant of a 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and n by n matrix. Remember that in order to find the determinant, you need to have a square matrix. So the formula is just multiply. It's kind of like crisscross multiplying. So we're going to multiply A times D and then subtract that from B times C. And that's it. That's how we find the determinant of a square matrix that is a 2 by 2. So here is number one. Remember that these brackets here represent to find the determinant. So it's a short way of not having to find the determinant of this matrix. If you see these, they do not mean the absolute value. They mean determinant when we're looking at linear algebra. So again, here's the formula. We're going to like crisscross multiply. So we're going to find the determinant of the matrix. So we're going to multiply -5 times 2 and subtract that from 3 times 4. So that's 10 minus 12, which is -22. Number two, again, find the determinant. Here's another example. So crisscross multiply. So -9 times -10 minus -9 times -7. That's 90 minus 63. Because again, right here we have two negatives. Negative times negative is positive 63. And then we have a negative in front of it. That's why we get that subtraction. So we get 27. For number three, find the determinant of another matrix. So same thing. So nothing different. Multiply -1 times 0 minus 8 times 5. We get 0 minus 40. So -40 is our answer. Here is number four. Again, crisscross multiply. 8 times 9 minus -6 times -10. We end up with 72 minus 60, which is 12. And number five. Again, crisscross multiply. 10 times 3 minus -9 times -7. So again, the two negatives will become positive. That's how we get -63. So 30 minus 63. And we end up with -33. Number six, here we have two matrices that we're going to find the determinant of, and then we're going to add them together. So again, like regular mathematics, we can add these together, but first you have to do what's inside the parenthesis, and the brackets are considered parentheses, okay, just like we've talked about before, especially during first semester, since that's where predominantly we did our algebra. So here's our formula. We're going to find the determinant of A first, so I labeled the first one A. So the answer I got was 4 minus 6, which is -2. Then I'm going to find the determinant of B. And for B, I got 34. So just add those two together. -2 plus 34 gives me 32. So just to throw out just kind of a challenge problem for you to look at. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick reminder, seniors, May 22nd is the last day to turn in all work um, because that's the last day of school for you. For the rest of us, May 28th is the last day that work is due at 2 p.m. So that way I could get it all graded and make sure that for those that did all the work that was needed, following the Google Classroom syllabus, that you get your 10% bump on your grade. You get your one letter grade increase. Um, Other than that, have a good day.